can I apply for a U visa after I applied for a VAWA? Yes, 100% you can. I've done that. You know, one of my first, not one of my first, one of my early cases, right, was a client who had suffered domestic violence. And she had suffered domestic violence from a U.S. citizen abuser. And she won VAWA. And her previous lawyer was like, yay, you qualify for VAWA. Let's get you VAWA. But her previous lawyer didn't explain and didn't really go through her case to know that she was never going to be eligible to adjust status through VAWA. Why? Because she had what's called a permanent bar. She had left and re-entered the U.S., and it didn't fit one of the exceptions. Like sometimes the permanent bar can be waived through a VAWA case, but hers couldn't, right? And so what do? She won VAWA. She's got VAWA. Hey, let's file a U visa, right? So the direct answer to your question is yes, it's possible. Yes, you can win that case. You know, in my office, we won that person's U visa first, then adjustment of status, and then now she's a U.S. citizen because we helped her through the U visa, which can waive a lot more things. She could get green cards and citizenship through the U visa process where she was stuck and was, you know, with her previous lawyer, she would have been stuck renewing a work permit through VAWA for the rest of her life, right? And instead, now she's a U.S. citizen. And so, yes, the answer to your question is yes, you can apply for a U visa even after you applied for VAWA, and sometimes that's the right thing to do.